project this weekend, it's Labor Day weekend, and got some time, is I'm going to clear out all this stuff here, take out some of this pachysandra, and there's a stump that was ground up there. I'm going to take that out. I'm going to be using this, which I'm really excited about, the Toro Dingo. So the idea is we'll tear out all this growth. There was stumps there, and then I'll bring in some I got 15 yards of loam that I'll put in there, and then reseed over the top of that. So this thing's actually pretty sweet. I got two different attachments for it. So I got the just the bucket, the standard bucket, and then also got this thing called a rotadairon, which is a soil renovator. But yeah, I mean, the controls are very easy to use, and I'll show you kind of the process of what I'm going to do, and this should make the job a lot easier. I got a lot done yesterday, got all that pachysandra removed, did the hill here, and then smoothed out that area over there. So today I'm gonna go back through here, rip out a lot of these roots, then dump all the new soil that I have, smooth that out, and then seed. All right, so we're going on day 3. I have spread all that loam. That's about 15 yards. Now I'm just going to take the rotadairon, or however you want to say it, churn up some of this soil, and then throw some seed down. So I raked out all the soil out there, so it's nice and flat now. I'm going to throw this stuff down with the trusty old spreader there. Then I'm going to throw some straw on top of it and keep it watered. And hopefully this will give me the results I'm looking for. So since this is going to be basically a new lawn, I'm setting this to about 8.5. That'll give me a good spread of the seed. I went over this gently with a rake, leveled it out as much as possible. Now I'm going to throw this seed down. You can see where I used the rotadairon from the path of the Toro Dingo, but overall this came out pretty well. Now we'll throw the seed down. I'm going to throw some straw on top of it to keep the moisture in, and hopefully that it doesn't wash out, and just keep it watered. So this is the salt marsh hay that I got. Usually I use straw, which is definitely thicker than this, but when I went to the local grain store, he recommended salt marsh hay, which I was a little skeptical about because I didn't want to have any seeds in it that would grow weeds, but apparently since this is from a salt marsh, weeds don't really grow there, and so any of the seeds that will be found in here won't germinate in the soil. So I basically just spread this out by hand, and that'll keep the moisture and hopefully prevent any sort of any sort of washout with any rain that we're going to be having. Got all the hay down now, and unfortunately we're going to get a good amount of rain today, so hopefully it won't wash out this seed that we put down. But now just got to keep it wet and post an update once we get some grass growing in here. Thanks for watching. This is about 1 week after seeding, and you can see we got some good germination happening. We did have a couple inches of rain over the past week, which I think has helped. I was worried about a bit washing out, but this straw has actually helped out pretty well. So I appreciate you guys watching. I'll post an update once this kind of fills in and give you a quick update then.